M&M's store in Las Vegas is a massive, multi-level retail attraction spanning 4 floors. The store covers an impressive 28,000 square feet of space. The store first opened its doors to the public in 1997, making it a staple on the Las Vegas Strip for over 2 decades. Annually, the store attracts approximately 2 million visitors from around the world, making it one of the top tourist destinations in Las Vegas. The ground floor is packed with M&M's themed merchandise, from clothing and accessories to home decor. The second floor has a massive wall of M&Ms. You can mix and match from a rainbow of colors, including some you won't find anywhere else. You can personalize your M&Ms with custom messages and images. The third floor has interactive exhibits and games. There's also a 3D movie experience there, and it's a great way to take a break and enjoy some family-friendly entertainment. M&Ms is next to the MGM Hotel and Casino. Hours are Sunday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. The Coca-Cola store in Las Vegas opened its doors in 1997 and was designed to offer an immersive experience that highlights the rich history of Coca-Cola. Over the years, it has become a must-visit location for anyone visiting Las Vegas, blending retail with interactive exhibits and offering a variety of branded merchandise. The store spans a significant 35,145 square feet, making it one of the largest Coca-Cola stores in the world. This expansive space is filled with Coca-Cola memorabilia, unique merchandise, and interactive exhibits. Each year, the Coca-Cola store in Las Vegas attracts approximately 1.5 million visitors who come to explore the extensive range of products and enjoy the immersive Coca-Cola experience. Visitors have the opportunity to create personalized Coca-Cola bottles with their names or custom messages. This feature has become a popular attraction, allowing guests to take home a truly unique keepsake. The store features displays that highlight the history of Coca-Cola, including vintage advertisements, classic bottles, and other memorabilia. These exhibits provide a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of the brand over the years. The store also includes a rooftop seating area where visitors can relax and enjoy refreshing Coca-Cola beverages while taking in the views of the bustling Las Vegas Strip. Throughout the store, various interactive elements engage visitors, such as photo booths and multimedia displays. These features make the shopping experience more enjoyable and interactive. Whether you're a lifelong fan of the beverage or just looking for a fun and unique destination on the Strip, the Coca-Cola store offers something for everyone. From the extensive merchandise collection to the unique tasting experience, it's a place where visitors can create lasting memories while celebrating one of the world's most iconic brands. Store hours are open daily from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Beverage bar hours are daily from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m.